Alright, so today I decided to live a full day using only smart devices. Yep, just me and the Internet of Things. From the moment I woke up, my smart alarm gently nudged me out of sleep during my lightest sleep phase. Not gonna lie, I felt more refreshed than usual. Next up, my coffee machine had already brewed my morning cup before I even made it to the kitchen. That's a win. And while I was sipping it, my smartwatch buzzed with a reminder to stretch and hydrate. Classic. Throughout the day, I relied on voice commands to adjust the thermostat, dim the lights, and even cue up music. It felt like living in the future, but also just more efficient. My smart fridge? It told me I was running low on eggs. My washing machine? Scheduled a wash cycle while I was out running errands. Now here's where IoT shines. Security. I checked my front door camera from my phone, locked the door remotely, and even got a motion alert when a package arrived. Peace of mind no matter where I was. Fitness-wise, my wearable tracked every step, analyzed my heart rate during workouts, and even suggested a recovery routine. It's like having a tiny coach on my wrist. But IoT isn't just about personal convenience. It's changing lives. Like the woman who remotely monitored her elderly mom's health from another city. Smart sensors alerted her to meds, activity, even falls. That's powerful. Or the family that cut down their energy bill thanks to a smart system that shut off lights and appliances when not in use. Saving money and energy, that's a no-brainer. One day with IoT showed me that it's not about flashy gadgets. It's about smarter living. From healthcare to home life, this tech is making everyday routines smoother, safer, and more sustainable. So what's your favorite IoT device? Drop it in the comments. I want to hear how it's changed your daily life. And hey, don't forget to check out our next video on future tech that's reshaping the world.